In this video, we'll cover how to send a one-time newsletter from the newsletter system. A one-time newsletter is a newsletter that will get sent only once. You can choose to send it now or schedule it to send in the future. To get started, choose Send Once from the dashboard, and then choose your correspondence type. A custom message allows you to craft a unique message, much like a standard email. Send Accounting and Tax Articles allows you to choose to add articles from the content library to share in your newsletter. You can also add a custom message to this type of correspondence. Pre-written messages allows you to choose from one of our pre-written messages, such as tax due dates, reminders, or requests to leave a review for your firm. For this demo, we'll choose Accounting, Tax Tips, and Articles. The next step will ask you to choose your recipients. In order for someone to receive a newsletter, they must be added to a category. To learn how to do this, refer to the Categorizing Your Recipients video. You can choose to send to one or multiple categories. Then choose Next. The next screen will allow you to choose the articles that you want to send in this newsletter. The articles are from the content library that come with your Build Your Firm website and are refreshed every year. The articles are organized by categories. Click any category to see a drop-down of all of the articles inside this category. You can see the article's title and a brief excerpt of the article. If you want to read the entire article, click the eye icon to see the entire thing. You can also search for specific articles using the search bar. You can choose anywhere between 1 and 6 articles to send in your newsletter. Click Next to see a preview of the articles that you've selected. The articles will display as a title followed by the excerpt of an article with a link to read the entire article over on your website. You can also choose to add a custom message here. We always recommend adding some type of custom message to give the newsletter a personalized feel. You can also choose to add an image from the image library. Select Next to give the newsletter a subject. This is the subject line that will display when your recipients receive the newsletter. Preview the email and confirm the sending information at the bottom. You can preview and edit who the email is coming from and where the replies will be sent to. You can also view your categories and recipients. Click on any of the numbers to see everybody inside of that list. Finally, you can choose when you want this newsletter to send. Click the Change button next to the time and date to choose a different time or date. Before sending, we always suggest that you send a test to yourself first. So click the Send a Test Copy button and type your email into the box to send a test to yourself. In another window, open your email and preview the test newsletter to confirm that it looks the way that you want it to. If it looks good, then you can hit the Submit for Scheduling button to confirm this sending. If you're not ready to send this newsletter now and you want to come back to it later, choose the Save for Later button. This will save your newsletter and you can access it later by going to the Manage Newsletter and choosing Saved Newsletters.